Okay, we're gonna make some good cake out of these Oreo cookies. Okay, what we're gonna do is what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna take a smaller bowl and we're gonna put all the pieces into it. Okay, put that in there. These are kind of frozen a little bit, been in the freezer, so it's kind of a little tougher to move these off. Okay, you take it back of the knife like this and we cut down real easy. Like that. See that? And take this side. It's gotta be simple, easy. We got all of that. Now we'll switch over and we will cut the cream into the smaller bowl. Like that. You're going to get the rest as much as you can. Like that. Put that back in the yellow bowl. Okay, we're going to put our cookie into this. Well, it'd work a lot better if I plug it in. And that, my friend, is what you're looking for. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this back into the yellow bowl. Okay, we're just going to dump every bit of that as much as we can back in here. Get all the crumbs. Okay, we're going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Very crucial that we do that. And then I'm just going to combine these two together. Very smooth. And we're going to add in a cup of just milk. Okay, this is what we're... Okay, now we're going to put in our cream. And we're just going to give this a good mix. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to pour this all the way in. Okay, that's about good enough. And then we're going to just put this lid on this and let this cook. Come back in about 45 minutes. Okay, that's what it looks like, and we already did a test on it. Looks clean, so I think it's done. I'm gonna let it finish cooling before I flip it over. Let it get down cooled. Okay, we're gonna take this off. Oh my God, that looks delicious. Boy, that smells delicious. We'll be right back, folks. Okay, we're gonna pour some, that's good, liquid. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test on this. There's some good old Oreo cake made from Oreo cookies. Look at that. Oh my God, that is delicious. Let me try one more bite. That was so good. I never tasted a cake quite like that. That was so delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. And if you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that bell so you don't miss the notification. And I will see you next time.